we once again invite you to wish upon stars, to step into the unknown, and to join us on this, our wondrous journey.
Some things start out big, and some things start out small. But sometimes the smallest thing can make the biggest changes of all.
Hard to know just where it starts, how it grows from just a spark. It's wondrous. Feel it now with you and me, a gentle stream of energy. I know it's wondrous. From dream to wish to a very first try, from trumpet to fire to learning to fly. Stroke of the pain of each motion that meets the eye. Magic that we call life. It's the stardust that lights your life.
star can only take you part of the way. You gotta have the moments of hard work of your own.
There's been trials and tribulations. You know I've had my share, but I could. And I'm almost there. I remember Dundee told me fairy tales do come true, but you gotta make them happen. And I'm almost there. I'm almost there. People gonna come in
Will today be the day to be ready to fly? Could take a try.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
You got the makings of greatness in you, but you gotta take the helm and chart your own course. Stick to it, no matter the squaws.
We can be immortals, immortal, but not for long, for long. Okay, here's the plan. We're gonna come in low and fast, take you by surprise.
It's make your mama's proud time.
So, don't die.
Sometimes the only payoff for having any faith is when it's tested again and again every day.
I will never be good enough. I came here to make the world a better place, but I think I broke it.
I'm not the right person. You have to choose someone else. Choose someone else. Please.
Sometimes the world seems against you. The journey may leave a scar. The scars can heal and reveal just where you are.
to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
But Pooh, it's just another turn of the page.